Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and as you can tell by today's thumbnail and title, I have another nail set for you guys, and it's press-on nails, but this time I'm doing it with Born Pretty nail set, and well, not their nail set, but their gel polish set. And they sent me their gel base coat and gel top coat, and they're 15 milliliters, and they're pretty big bottles. Okay, if I do say so myself, they were like the size of like my thumb, well, maybe like my index finger. I don't know, my middle finger. They they fit in my palm, however you say it. Okay, they fit in my hand, and they were pretty big, so I do appreciate that. And like I said, it's the base and the top coat. So we're gonna see how those work today. And I also got the 6-piece set of like their jelly polishes, and one jelly is like a glitter polish, like holographic glitter. Um, so I'm gonna show you guys that as well. So this is what the jelly polish glitter one looks like, and I was going to use it, but I feel like that might be a little much because I am doing like a jelly holographic press-on nail set, so I didn't use it. But I did use shade number 6 in their jelly polishes from the kit, and we're just going to get really started into the video, honestly. I'm using these, I'm going to say medium stiletto nails. I don't know if they're gel nails or plastic, but they're like just clear gel nails. I think I got from like Amazon maybe, and they're medium stiletto. Oh my gosh, stiletto, like I was saying. But to start off, initially, I picked out my sizes, but I'm actually gonna go in with my nail file and like file around the cuticle part of the nails just to get them more like flat, because I feel like they were bulking up a little bit. And for press-ons, I want them to be as flat as possible to start with, just because I'm going to be adding a bunch of layers on top, so I did that to start off with. And then I went in with buffing the nails, the same spot I did the hand file with. I buffed them out a little bit just to get it a little bit more smooth, and then I started with the actual polishes. So the first gel polish I went in with is the base coat, and this is what it looks like out of the bottle. I do like the size of the brush. The bristles, they're not like that normal thick rounded bristle. Oh my gosh, I can't speak. Brittle bristle. Oh my god, I can't speak. They're not that thick rounded bristle brush that a lot of gel polishes come with. So I do appreciate that. And like I said, I like how big these bottles are. I just want their actual gel color gel oh my gosh, gel polish colors that come in the kits to be this size bottle, but it's pretty good nonetheless. And the consistency isn't like super thick, but it isn't super thin either, so that's pretty good if you like that. And if you don't, it's still good, take my word for it. But yeah, I'm just putting a base coat on all the nails and curing for 30 seconds because I don't want the nails to shrink. And then I'm going in with the number 6 jelly color, and I did 2 layers of this because the first one is sheer because it is jelly. So I'm just doing that right now. Like I said, 2 coats, pretty thin coats. I'm not going in like crazy thick with this because I don't want the nails to bulk up too much. But yeah, 2 coats cure for 30 seconds each. So now I'm taking this chrome pigment powder that I have. It's not pigment powder, it's a chrome iridescent powder. I don't know what it's exactly called, but I'm taking that and I'm just going over all the nails with the tacky layer. The base coat didn't really have that much of a tacky layer, so that's sort of why I decided to go in with it like this as well, instead of doing like top coat and then the chrome. It didn't really make a difference for what I was going for, so you can do whatever feels right for you, but that's just what I did for this. And yeah, that's really all I did. I just went in with all this on all the nails, and I didn't have to cure anything because it was already on there. So we're just gonna keep doing that for all the nails and then continue. So after I apply all my chrome on, now I'm going in with the top coat that I also got from the kit. And the top coat claims that it will last 45 plus days. It's stain resistant and it's very glossy. So I can say that it is very glossy. After I put the top coat on all the nails, I feel like they did have like a really nice shine to them. Even though they were glitter, you could tell the difference, you know, when you add like the top coat on the nails. And it's pretty decent top coat, so I do like that. I can't say that I can um verify the 45 days because these are going to be press-ons, but I'm going to take their word for it. And as far as the stain resistant goes, I can say that that works because I have like some um what was it? It was like some powder, like it was like some gray powder I had on something, and I touched the nails afterwards and they didn't come on the nails. And usually any other top coat I use, it would have stained them already, and it didn't do that to these. So that was pretty good. So I do like that, and I hope you guys do as well. And you guys should go buy the set, go buy the gel polishes. I have plenty of other Born Pretty gel polishes just in my room, so take my word for it, okay? But then the next thing I did after I did the top coat, I cured it for 60 seconds. And then I went in with these iridescent hearts and, well, heart charms, iridescent like heart charms. And I'm trying to match up the color with the actual color of the nail. So I'm almost like this purpley pink heart. And I'm putting this on the center of every nail. I took some rhinestone glue and I glued it on there. The only thing I would say is I probably should have did the heart first and then top coat it, because I was going around the edges of the heart with the rhinestone glue. You can sort of see it bulk up a little bit. Like, not bulk up, but you can definitely tell where I put the glue at. But you can't tell that much if you don't look too deep into it, but you can definitely tell in little bits and pieces of it, okay? But yeah, I just went in with some rhinestone glue, put these on all the nails, and then cured it for 60 seconds completely, and then went in with like my finishing touches. And remember that you can get this gel polish set from Amazon or the Born Pretty website. I will link it in the description from the Amazon site. But they have plenty of other gel polishes as well, and I have a few of the gel polishes, like I said. So I'm gonna root for them, and I hope that you guys get it and that you like it. But if you don't blame me. If you do, then come back for more videos, okay? But we're just gonna continue on with the video. So after I cure the nails again, I'm going in with my finishing touches like I said, and this is just me hand filing the edges of the nails just to make them more sharp and get any excess gel polish that made it came over the edges off. And then that's really it. And I'm going to clean it off with a alcohol wipe and lint-free, wait, what? A lint-free alcohol wipe. And I'm also going to wipe the hearts as well because it makes them look a little shinier. And off camera, I did put a little bit of top coat on the hearts to make it shiny as well, and it did make them shinier than what they were because they were looking a little ashy before I did that. So I do recommend that. But regular rhinestones, I wouldn't usually do top coat, but for these type, I will do top coat on them. Yeah, I don't got nothing else to say. So just keep watching. Thank you. So these are what the nails are looking like after everything is done, and I hope you guys like them because I do like them. I'll probably have to do my other hand as well because I only made 5 nails for right now, but I'm gonna make the other 5 because these are too cute. But I hope you guys like them. Like I said, I like the gel polishes itself. I have other Born Pretty gel polishes like I also said, so I do recommend them, and you can get them off of Amazon or their website, but I do recommend Amazon because you know the 2-day shipping or whatever. But yeah, if you guys like them, please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. And also, I probably would have chose a different color heart, but I don't know if that's just the camera messing with my eyes because I'm also blind. But I think these are pretty, and let me know if you think so as well. And like I said, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.